Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Vance Gaming. We are doing part 5 for October 2024 STL files for the Patreon. If you're looking for D&D, Warhammer Proxy, and figures, all the links for the ones we're looking at will be down below. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And let's get started. So we got Belsar for this month. Let's see here, I believe we are getting some Enchantress Women's. I want to know if they have the actual full thing for October. That's September. 50% off. I think this one is what is for October. Yep. So we have something. Where is it supposed to be? Darkness. This shall be exalted. Has been taken power. Executioner. I'm guessing something to do with judgment. But anyhow, big old bitty females with mythical clad and stuff as well. If you need some magic or some weird looking cults for female cults, this might be it. But yeah, we got that. We got fun service STL. This was last month for the figures. You get a lot, especially if you do it by My Mini Factory. So we have a female version of Tangela that's going to be coming up. Been seeing that around. And then we got a female version of Vaporeon. All you people out there. And there should be 2 more afterwards, I believe. That's going to be released. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Gaz Minis, another STL. This is going to be for October. We got Thick Plague Doctor, Harley Quinn Goblin, a Witch, and a Cyclops, I don't know, Warlock or something like that. But yeah, there's your thing for it. RN Studio. There's another on RN Studio, but there's a different one for the tribe for this month. So let's see if we can get. So we got some big rat, 2-headed rat ogres. So we can use this for Skaven. We got a Lich and some undeads and some monster hunters. Looks like it. Ogre. And a looks like some kind of a elf female with 2 heads of a rat. But yeah, there's your October one for that. You only can get this on the tribe on My Mini Factory. Legends of Grimm. I don't think they'll do that anything anymore. See October bundle. I don't know if we can see that well on that. Let's see if we can get a better looking one down here. I think this is the October one. So we have looks like merchants, Knight, Bear, Baden, Ivory Goat, Serpentine, Owl. I think these 2 are from one of the magic items you throw. Looks like a pirate. So we got some pirates and merchants and stuff as well for this month for D&D. If you're interested. Guys, Geek, this is another, proxy for orcs and goblins for it. Looks like we got some Nurgles in as well. Got some Nurgles and some orcs. So that's cool. Let's see here. Pin up. That's 30th of October. This is all the stuff that happened last month. But we'll get a lot more stuff that's coming up. But if you need some proxies for some Nurgles and for some orcs, that would probably be good too. Okay, Mad Minis. They got some busty ass thing. You can probably use majority for like Spelljammer. I would say this is probably going to be good for. So, but yeah, you can see the last month one was September. So if you're interested, check them out. They also got a welcome pack as well. Egg Legs Miniature. They do Warhammer proxies. I don't know what we get. I think we're getting Salamander, Imperium. I forgot what this chapter's called. Because I have the female version of it. I know it's Raven something. And we've got orcs. And then we we got some old world as well, or storm breakers. But October, but they got some pretty cool stuff that you can actually look forward to for it. That's actually pretty cool. I think I already have that. That'd be good for my Grey Knights. Soul Union, another figure. I think this was October one. I don't know what this month's going to be. April, May, June, July, August. So I'm saying anything for September or for October yet for it. Comet Lords. This is another D&D stuff as well. Current release. We got look at Scaled, Undead, and we got some Demon Hunters. Looks like it. Get a better look at it right here. That's actually pretty cool. Got some Scarabs too. This is actually pretty good for like October game if you guys are interested. Hard Witch, another D&D minis as well. Master of Madness. So we got some undeads, probably a demon, a knight. There's a half-orc barbarian. Don't know what the hell that is. Looks like some kind of dragonborn something. We got, looks like, fighter, spellcaster, druid. Looks like we got a halfling fighter. Look like it, how short it looks. So yeah, we got some terrains with that as well. Then we'll be looking at more shit for it. So we got Ultimate Clay Studio, another figure one as well. This is your sneak peek for Venom. So the Venom movie that's coming out in December with the horse. So it looks like that's gonna be one of the things for it. That's actually pretty cool looking. Venom horse. I think that's it for that one for now. So we have Youngbloods sculptor. So we have going to be, let's see here, Miley Rage, Alyssa, Harley Quinn, Scorpion. We got a bonus one that's coming up. We already got a couple of the stuff that's already out for your figures if you're interested. Invictus Miniatures, you're going to have to. Oh, we actually got some October. We got Shredder. Oh, yes. We love Shredder. Let's see here. We got some Shredders. We got some DC characters. We got some mining. We got, I forgot this guy's name from Planet X. I keep forgetting. Mobach. Bebop and Steady, I believe it's called. So we got some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So that's actually pretty cool. Oh, we got the van too as well. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. Bendy Buddies. If you want a whole bunch of stuff for your mostly for filament, but you also do they have resin one as well. You get the Bulbasaur lamp you can make. I think you can get Deadpool. They finally made. You got what is that? Forgot that clown's name from One Piece. Oh well. Yeah, I'm not really a big One Piece fan. So yeah, you got a lot of stuff you can look through for Bendy stuff if you're interested. Lion Realm, another figures for October reward. We got 2 of the Jujutsu Kaisen. You have a special bonus, and you have a previous one as well. But yeah, looks pretty cool. Figures and everything else with it as well. Trick or Treat, another figure for Project this month. Got Beetlejuice. Do not know her, but Laura Croft and stuff. That was last month. You get both. So we'll get a female Beetlejuice if you're interested. This was Mary from Total Recall. Okay. I haven't watched Total Recall in a very long time, so sorry. And this one is the first promo. So yeah, digital sculpt if you're interested. You're gone. Beast 3D. I think this will be the last one for this video. So we have, I think Soifon. Yeah, Soifon. and Gara. We're getting Gara as well. That's actually pretty cool. And then you get the welcome pack as well if you're interested. Anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.